G'day, here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white you can see on pieces is a reflection of the lights. Trying to get it at the right angle to show you the colours in this piece is proving a little bit difficult, but might be much colour up here, but there's still a bit of red up in this corner still. Nice big piece. Again with this piece, it's got some reds coming through. Some blues in this piece, some yellows showing there. Don't know why I'm not getting the red off that. I can see it, I can't see it in the camera so much. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.